My name's Helen Marks. I'm a senior lecturer for Extended BA at Plymouth College of Art. What's the Extended BA for? Well, it's a course really that's designed for students that want to return to education. It's designed for those that haven't really had an art and design background in the past. It's for all types of students that are interested in embarking on an art and design journey, really. The course is experimental. It focuses on giving students an opportunity to be able to try a variety of techniques, processes, and ways of working. And that may include ceramics, photography, animation, painting, drawing. It's very, very, very experimental in its approach. And it's hopefully, by the end of the year with us, students are confident in what they want to do. They are confident enough to do it and have the basic skills, knowledge to be able to take their ideas forward and visualise the things that they've been thinking. The Extended BA is a really useful year for many reasons. It gives you an extra year of skills. It gives you an extra year of really focusing on what you want to do and understanding and making sure really that the degree you're on is the one that you want to go on. It's fun and it's experimental, it's challenging. It helps students to challenge themselves. So it's a really important year, and the students that complete the Extended BA successfully are the ones that are going on to gain the firsts and the 2-1s within the college. When students apply for an Extended BA, they'll come in as an Extended BA Fine Art or Extended BA Photography, etc. And I usually gather all the students up together and teach them together. So you'll be rubbing shoulders with other disciplines, which is really healthy. And it also gives students an opportunity to see what else is out there. So the course is diagnostic in that sense. And there is a flexibility of students to be able to transfer within the year to different degrees if they see that as something that they'd like to do. The course is really designed to get those, what you may call soft skills together. So organisation, planning, how to actually research, how to pull ideas out of that research, and how to develop less than ordinary solutions to design problems. The students that fully engage in the Extended BA and sort of leave their preconceived ideas at the door and come in with an open mind and a flexibility and a desire to just explore and try things out, do extremely well. And in a way, that's what it's all about, opening your mind to what is there rather than just doing the same thing again and again. So come with a desire to do some new things, to play, to go back to how we were maybe as children when we didn't worry about making mistakes. In fact, the Extended BA encourages sort of accidental happenings so that we can be surprised, and that's what it's all about. And the students do gain a huge amount of confidence in their creativity and in their art and design making, thinking and doing. You know, why does the world need creatives? Problems are more complex than they were in the past, and I think we need to look at new ways of solving them, and that the lateral thinking that the Extended BA instills in students or teaches students is as one of the things that we need to put out there across the world, really.